I sing at the corner, my cap at my toes. I sing all those songs of joy, sadness, and woe. They stand on the pavement, the tenors join in. The rest, when my back's turned, had big toothy grins. Then for an encore I wheel to the stand and stamp on the keyboard of my baby grand. They move away as the hail hits the ground. I'm left there laughing, I've just made a pound. Came along and asked me to sing. With song I inquired, she said anything. I covered my eyes and I burst into song. And when I had finished, I looked, she was gone. Then back to the palace, I find my steps lead. I take off my shoes and I watch my toes bleed. I sit there and wonder when you'll come again. I must get back to the corner again. I look at the corner from behind the door. Some people are standing, there must be a score. There's nobody singing, no one moves, it appears. Everybody joins hands and they hold back the tears.